how to check out shipping options on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check out shipping options on Bigcommerce. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and then here we'll find Bigcommerce settings. Then all you need to do, just type here shipping and click on it, and and as you see here, you can see checkout shipping options, and here you can manage shipping options. That's it, just add shipping zone, and that's it. Manage anything you want here, and then go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.